In today's video, I'll show you how to install Java on Windows 11 step by step. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner. I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Oracle Java and press Enter. From the search results, open the official Oracle website. Make sure you're on the official oracle.com site to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once the website opens, look for the option that says Download Java and click on it. You'll see the latest Java version displayed on the page. Scroll down a little until you find the JDK section. Under that, click on Windows to see the available download options. Now look for the Windows x64 installer with the .exe file extension. Click on it and the download will start. Wait until the file is fully downloaded. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, right-click on the Java installer file, and click Open or Run. This will start the Java installation process. When the setup window appears, click Next. You'll see the default installation location. Leave it as it is and click Next again. Java will now install on your system. Once the installation is finished, click Close. Now we need to set the Java path so your system can recognize Java commands. Open File Explorer, go to the C drive, then Program Files, then Java, open the JDK folder, and finally open the bin folder. Copy the full path from the address bar. Next, open the Start menu and type Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the new window, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Click New, paste the path you copied, then click OK. Click OK on all open windows to save the changes. To confirm everything worked, open the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Type Java --version and press Enter. If you see the Java version displayed, that means Java is installed correctly. And that's how you install Java on Windows 11. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.